Hey guys, it's me, Tani, and today I'm going to be putting eye contact solution in my slime. I have about 5 or 6 slimes because I'm so obsessed with slime, and I might be making about 4 or 5 tomorrow if I don't get a dog, because my parents are thinking about getting me a dog. And also, I am also doing this because I don't want it to get stuck in my hair or anything, and so yeah. And then kids, be careful with this, because if it gets in your eyes, it's not good for your eyes. And I know you see your parents doing it, using it maybe. If they can't see, then yeah, be careful. And I'm using a ruler because I don't like putting it in a ball and putting that so it don't get on your nice table. Like, come on, guys. I like flattening it out and then putting that and folding it up like into a taco style thing. And then I'm also doing that because y'all are fixing to tip over. And I'm also doing that because I like doing that every once in a while, like I said, so I don't get in your beautiful hair and everything. And so yeah, let's get the slime out. Alright, so I got all my slime. These two are foam. But I use borax and shaving cream and cornstarch. And then these ones, all 4 of these ones, I used water. Is it baking soda? Yeah, baking soda and eye contact solution. And like I said, please be careful. And so yeah, this one is for Easter. That's why. And then these 3 are for Halloween. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6, and I'm making some more tomorrow if I don't get a dog. And so yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so I got the clear one first because I wanted to see how this was turning out because I haven't played with this in a while. And whenever you make clear slime, be careful because this could get dirty really, really quick. And I got like the bleach one. This is not a sticky, so I'm going to play with it for a little bit. Throw that on the floor. So I'm going to try to roll it up in a ball. I'm not going to do it like I said I wasn't. I was just probably going to put just like that. Because I got like my dog's hair. I got like my hair. Or like mine. Do that. And then I'm going to put eye contact solution. Make sure that your mom knows about this. Because you just don't want to do it. Because this could get anywhere and ruin it. Oh my god, you can feel it. Oh my god, it's so wet. And then if y'all could hear that, yes, it's not in there. And then this was really up to your parents. I bought this desk, so it's fine. I like putting eye contact solution on my desk. Don't get by the camera, don't get by the camera. And then I just like playing with it like that. And then while I have my other slimes, it'll be easier. Got my big piece of hair right there. Where's that my mom's? Oh, that's my mom's. Holy moly. Man. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then after that, I'm probably just going to put it back in the bag and sit, and then I'll do this one again later. Let it sit. Let the eye contact solution soak in there for a little bit. And then next I'm going to do, I really want to do the foam one, so I want to see how this turns out. And this is not as sticky, I just like putting it so it won't like dry out. Whoa. Yep, it's foam slime still. It's like foamish. Okay, here I go. I don't need to roll this one out. And then I also have Musical.ly. My Musical.ly password is JTMCAFEE, McAfee. It's not really need that much, but Ollie. Whoa. So yeah. I should probably just... I'm not going to do the green one because that didn't really turn out as well as I expected it to. Because, it's turning into slime now because, you know, shaving cream and blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. So, I'm not going to do that one or the green one. I really want to do the orange one. Or not the orange one, the blue one. But I'm saving that one for last. I don't know why. Whoa. This is really sticky. Don't get it on my clothes. Go. And then leave a comment and tell me if you've seen my YouTube video, because I won't let people follow me if I don't know how they got my password or my username. My grandpa might come in here. Whoa, this is really wet. You got a mess, Tony.